Good afternoon, children. Today we will start with the new chapter, that is ninth one, chapter 9, Psychology and Sports. Psychology. Psychology is derived from a Latin word, that is psyche and logos, which means soul study. But today psychology is considered as the science of behavior. Definition of psychology. According to Woodworth, psychology is the scientific study of the individual's activity in relation to environment. Second definition is by Crow and Crow. Psychology is the science of human behavior and its relationship. Psychology throws light on the deep study of relation between mind and body, like behavior, attitude, interest, thinking, learning, emotions, incentives, motivation, consciousness, memory, sentiments, imagination, direct coordination, power of mind, normal activities, knowledge, determination, feeling of behavioral responses, etc. Now children, the next topic is sports psychology. Sports psychology is the branch of applied psychology which deals with sports performance and behavior of a player during training and competition. It is the science which studies players' behavior to improve performance. The purpose of sports psychology is to understand the behavior of sports person and modify him according to the needs of situation and optimize the benefit for better performance and excellence. There are some of the definitions of sports psychology. Definition according to K.M. Burns, sports psychology for physical education is that branch of psychology which deals with physical fitness of an individual through his participation in games and sports. Second one, according to Clark and Clark, sports psychology is an applied psychology. It is more concerned with the personalities, emotional or motivational aspects of sports and physical activities. It employs many of the techniques used in psychology. Children, now the next topic is importance of sports psychology. In this first point is improves performance. Here, improved performance means the knowledge of sports psychology helps to improve performance and personality of player by scientific ways of modifying behavior. Then comes motivation and feedback. Here, proper motivation and proper feedback enhances the performance of players. It gives counseling to players. This can be guided by sports psychologists. Next one is check over declining performance. Here, knowledge of sports psychology helps to control and check the declining performance, thus helpful for players and coaches. Next point is understanding learning rate. Here, the knowledge of psychology helps to understand the learning rate, learning curve, development patterns, etc. Then comes modifying behavior. Sports psychology helps in modifying proper behavior of sports person, which helps in the improvement of results and brings better adjustment in various situations. Next, improves mental ability. Here, improving mental ability means it is improving the mental ability of the sports person. Thus, it is benefits for the player for developing their personality. Then comes control behavior during competition. Sports psychology always develops proper behavior set up during the competition. It helps the player to deal with spectators and crowd. Moreover, it also controls the behavior, thus it gives better result. Next comes overcoming stress. Knowledge of sports psychology helps to overcome stresses and reduces tensions of players, thus enhances performance and develops self-confidence. Next one is developing good relationship. Sports psychology promotes close relationship with other team members. It helps in the overall performance and good team effort. Then comes understanding the needs. Understanding the needs especially helps to understand the needs of the sports person. Thus, it helps in prospective problems can be sorted out well in advance. Then comes better selection. Here, the knowledge of sports psychology guides the coaches for better selection of players. Then comes better training methods. And each individual is unique in itself. Thus, proper training method is guided by the sports psychologist by which better result can be achieved. Last one is improves coaching skills. Obviously, sports psychology improves the knowledge of coaching, training and teaching skills. Thus, effective learning takes place.